Into Friday evening. We talked about had a little clearing this afternoon.
We did.
You say, don't be fooled by that.
Nope. Slow your roll. We are expected to, though, start the weekend off dry, so that's good news.
Okay.
Then we see the return of the wet weather. So we'll time it all out for you as we anticipate those clearing skies to continue at least for the next couple of hours and really through the rest of the night as our temperatures have managed to warm back up into the mid-60s. Beautiful live look anywhere from the shoreline to the high terrain of the Cascades as those temperatures continue to hover in towards the low to mid-60s for the valley, upper 50s out towards Tillamook and Newport. So overall, we are really starting to take shape for a beautiful start to our weekend. But hey, we've got to not bypass, I should say, Friday night football. That's where a jacket will be needed. By about halftime, expected to see those clear skies drop those temperatures into the low to mid 50s. As that cloud coverage, it does continue to break down. We are going to be removing that blanket, the cloud layer that sits above us, and that allows for radiative cooling to start to take shape. So all the heat we've built up in the atmosphere today, once again escaping back out into space. Thus, the Portland-Vancouver metro area temperatures will start to fall back into the upper 30s, if not even seeing some frosted conditions once again return. That's why the National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued those frost advisories for parts of Clark County, the low elevations out towards the high terrain of the Coast Range. But it's going to be those low-lying areas where the cold air is going to start to sink and could potentially cause frosts, if not even freeze conditions, out towards the Hood River area as a ridge of high pressure is squashing the rain and cloud potential tonight into the start of the day tomorrow. But you'll notice Sunday, that's when our trough of cooler and rainier air works its way back into the Pacific Northwest, and that will be impacting us as early as Saturday evening. So we'll time it all out for any of your outdoor activities to be had this weekend. Waking up tomorrow with maybe some patchy fog for some of those low, cooler lying elevations, and then we trade that out with the widespread cloud coverage even as early as about 5 o'clock, picking up on a few of those scattered showers out towards the north coastline, and keep a safe distance from the shoreline. Sneaker waves a possibility with this storm rolling in as we prepare for the brunt of the system to really push its way into the I-5 corridor by about midnight early Sunday, and that's going to carry us through a bit of a drier start to our Sunday. But again, we're not done with the wet weather just yet. Breezy at times, and maybe one or two of these isolated rain showers could have a quick little burst of energy, allowing for some thunder, maybe a stray bolt of lightning, a very slim possibility, but a possibility nonetheless, as our rain gauges are expected to fill up close to a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch. All right, what's happening with the snow elevation level? Keep in mind, our window of opportunity is Saturday night into Sunday, so seeing it as low as about 5,000 feet. Now, it goes even lower than that come Monday, but keep in mind, that's when the skies really start to open up. And I just had to share this beautiful image as the snow continues to melt atop Mount Hood out towards the Palmer snowfield. And look at this, a nice lenticular cloud also developing just on the side of Mount Hood. 41 degrees, that's where we expect to fall to tonight for the rest of your weekend. Again, Saturday, great day to get out, maybe take some family photos under that cloud coverage, or even pockets of sunshine, or heading out to the corn maze as we anticipate the wet weather to ramp back up Saturday night into Sunday, dropping temperatures to the low 60s. Then we start next week off mostly dry, and as we work our way into Thursday and Friday, that's when that wet weather yet again finds its way back into the Pacific Northwest.
I just was blown away. I was telling Jeff that picture you showed us with that lenticular
Palmer
cloud.
Field up there.
Yes.
Liz
beautiful.
thought it looked like that planet from Star Wars.
I was like, is Luke Skywalker up there? Is it planet?
And then
Is
that
it moon?
cloud kind of looks like
I
a
mean, that
spaceship.
was an incredible picture.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I like that a
beautiful.
lot. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Okay, when we come back.